For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. Recent fluctuations in the market have underscored the importance of focusing on stable growth stocks. Companies that operate reliable businesses within steadily expanding industries can deliver significant stock appreciation over the long run. The technology sector is a prime area to find such companies, given its continuous expansion and the consistent demand for upgrades in both software and hardware offerings. In the past month, the Nasdaq has declined by 10% due to a sell-off in the technology sector, spurred by economic reports that have caused concern on Wall Street. However, historical trends suggest that these challenges are only temporary. The technology sector remains a high-growth area that offers significant opportunities for investors with a long-term perspective. Advanced Micro Devices, commonly known as AMD, is a particularly attractive investment as the second largest producer of graphics processing units, following closely behind market leader NVIDIA. Graphics processing units are essential for running the complex workloads required for training artificial intelligence models, making them crucial to the advancement of this industry. The recent surge in artificial intelligence has led to a significant increase in the sales of graphics processing units for both AMD and NVIDIA in recent months. This growth has driven their market capitalizations to record levels, with NVIDIA becoming the first semiconductor company to surpass a market capitalization of $2 trillion and AMD reaching $215 billion. However, the substantial difference in their market capitalizations highlights the enormous potential for AMD as it continues to expand its presence in artificial intelligence. Now may be an opportune moment to invest in a company that could potentially reach a valuation of at least $1 trillion by the end of this decade. To achieve this, AMD's stock would need to increase by 374%. Given that its share price has risen by 500% over the last 5 years, such growth is not beyond the realm of possibility. Moreover, recent earnings reports indicate that AMD is making significant progress in the artificial intelligence sector. Revenue increased by 9% year over year, exceeding expectations by $120 million. This growth was largely driven by increased sales in its data center segment, which focuses on artificial intelligence, with revenue rising by a record 115% year over year to nearly $3 billion. Additionally, AMD's client segment, which includes revenue from central processing unit sales, saw an increase of 49% in revenue. While AMD's forward price-to-earnings ratio of 38 may not immediately suggest a bargain, this figure is still well below the company's average forward price-to-earnings ratio for the past year, indicating that it is currently trading at one of its best values in months. Given its immense potential in the field of artificial intelligence chips, AMD is an excellent stock to purchase now and hold for the long term. On the other hand, Microsoft's share price has decreased by 5% over the last month due to a widespread sell-off affecting many technology stocks. However, Microsoft remains one of the most solid long-term investments. As the owner of powerful brands such as Windows, Office, Xbox, Azure, and LinkedIn, Microsoft has established itself as a dominant force in the technology sector with strong positions in multiple markets. The company's success can largely be attributed to its consistent reinvestment in its business and its forward-looking strategy. Microsoft's success has turned it into a financial powerhouse, with its operating income and free cash flow skyrocketing by 288% and 212% respectively over the past decade. This year alone, the tech giant generated $74 billion in free cash flow, demonstrating its ability to continue expanding its business and remaining competitive in the industry. With substantial cash reserves, Microsoft was able to secure an early advantage in the emerging artificial intelligence market by investing $1 billion in ChatGPT developer OpenAI in 2019. This investment has since grown to $13 billion, granting Microsoft access to some of the most advanced artificial intelligence models available. The partnership with OpenAI has significantly enhanced Microsoft's business, as the company has integrated artificial intelligence into its productivity software and cloud services. Recent earnings reports reflect the company's success in this industry, with revenue increasing by 16% year over year in fiscal 2024 and operating income rising by 24%. The most impressive growth came from its cloud platform, which achieved revenue gains of 20% for the year, while operating income soared by 31%. In addition to its strength in artificial intelligence, Microsoft holds a solid position in personal computing, gaming, and digital advertising. The company's diverse business model makes it less susceptible to economic challenges compared to many of its competitors, as evidenced by its consistent growth over the last decade and an annual revenue increase of 162% since 2014. Microsoft's forward price-to-earnings ratio of 30, combined with its growing cash reserves and strong position in the technology sector, makes its stock a worthwhile investment for anyone willing to hold it long into the future. In the end, Advanced Micro Devices stands out as a strong investment opportunity, particularly due to its role as a leading producer of graphics processing units, which are essential for artificial intelligence development. AMD has shown impressive growth, and recent earnings indicate substantial progress in the AI sector. The company's potential to reach a trillion-dollar valuation by the end of the decade makes it a compelling option for long-term investors. Similarly, Microsoft remains a dominant force in technology, with strong positions in multiple markets, including cloud computing, personal computing, gaming, and digital advertising. The company's early investment in artificial intelligence, particularly through its partnership with OpenAI, has further solidified its position. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.